Good morning friends and welcome to another video. Today is Mods Day again and I will mount a windscreen on my Royal Enfield Classic 350. Before I start the mounting, I will show you what's inside the box when you order the original windscreen of Royal Enfield. Here are all the accessories inside that you need for the mounting. A small installation guide. I mean, this is really small. I don't know if you can read it. Then you have the two rods to mount the screen, some holding accessories, some screws, some rubber rings for the windscreen. Here are some screws for the handlebars. You have to take off the original ones and put some longers inside. Yeah, so let's try and find out. Here we have the windscreen. Looks like that. Here it is. So let's see how it looks when it's mounted on the Royal Enfield. So let's start with these rubber rings. You have to put these inside the holes here on the windscreen. So inside here. They are quite soft, so that should be easy. One. So, windshield is ready. So next step. These are the mounts that come here on the screen. So we need to put some screws inside here with some nuts on the back. Just have to see which ones. So maybe these? Yes. Quite simple. Nut inside, screw from the front. So these four are ready now. So the next step, we have to put these plastic things here right on the back of the screen. So there's a nut getting in here. These ones are coming from the front. This will be a little bit fiddly. So one nut inside here, then you have to put it on the back. We need this bigger washer here, screw from the front. So then we just screw it a little bit in, not that tight. Well, it's not that bad, works quite fine. So another one, nut in the back, screw from the front, the washer. Yep, second one. Works good. So, quite easy. Nut inside. To the front. Washer, screw, and there we go. And the last one. So let's turn this in the right position. Now we can slide in the chrome bars here. Just tighten it a little bit. It's not moving that much. And the second one. So we just have to see that these angles here are in the right direction, because there are two chances you can switch them. I hope I have the right one now. So, and there we go. Now we just need these two mounts for the handlebars, these screws, these two screws here. So let's go and mount it on the handlebar. Okay, before I start with the mounting, I will protect, of course, the tank. So first thing is to loosen these bolts here. It's 13. Just loosen them, don't take them off. The top ones you can take off, because we will put in different ones in here. You see, the new ones are, of course, longer. So next screws inside, nut in here, screw on the top. Same here. Nut in the back. Just tighten it a little bit, not too much, because we have to put the chrome rod in here. So, and this is the position. Should just take the long screws now. Now screw inside. Second one on the other one. Not tightening so far, just keep them loose, because we have to change the position maybe. So far, quite easy. So we can move these still. Now I will slide in the windscreen. Just like that. Okay, so it was in the right position. If you put them in the wrong position, then everything is blocked here. So this is okay. Just open it a little bit more. Slide them in. Just like that. Perfect. Slide it in. There we go. Perfect. Of course, now you have to adjust the windscreen with all these different mounts. Okay, I will do the adjustments while I'm sitting on the bike. So you can lower it a little bit, just as you like. Just see if the angle is good, if everything is straight. Looks good. So just hold it in place. It doesn't move. Okay, the windscreen is in the right position. Now I can tighten bolts of the handlebars. And now the last thing to do, tighten these screws here. So this is how it looks now. Fits very good to the style. Looks a little bit old-fashioned. Classic look. Now I'm doing a test ride and find out if this windscreen helps and keeps the wind away, and hopefully there's no wind buffeting on the helmet. So let's go. First impression, the wind on the chest is nearly gone, so the protection here on my chest is very good. Even on the arms, quite okay. For such a small windscreen, it's cool. Definitely better. So if I sit a little bit at the front, let's see. Yeah, the wind noise, of course, I'm quite tall, 188 centimeters. The wind noise on the helmet is a little bit louder than before, because the wind, especially when I sit a little bit more to the front, the wind is directly pushed into my helmet. I will ride a little bit faster now when I'm out of this town here, just to see how the wind buffeting on the helmet is. So I will go a little bit more backwards. Yeah, on the body for sure it's good. Takes all the pressure on the chest away. There's still some on the shoulders and on the arms, of course. But it's comfortable, it's good. And if I sit a little bit more backwards, it's also not that loud on the helmet. Of course, yeah, it's getting a little bit higher. So all in all, a good modification, especially when it's a little bit colder and you get the cold wind inside your jacket. I have no problems on my helmet, but if the body is protected a little bit more, it's quite comfortable. So do I like the look of the screen? Yeah, with these chrome mounts, it looks okay. Of course, the bike looks better without the screen, in my opinion. But for the colder seasons, if it's spring or autumn, it helps a lot to keep the cold wind away. And maybe for touring it could be interesting too. Just to give you just a tack, a little bit of protection. Price is okay. I think I paid 130 euro for the windscreen. So it's not that expensive. And from the rider's perspective, it looks okay. It's not disturbing at all. You have a nice reflection in the windscreen of the speedometer. Because you're not going so fast with this bike, the wind noise on the helmet might not be so disturbing if you are cruising with around 80. It's okay if you go a bit backwards, it's even better. And at 60, no problem at all. I'll open the visor. Yeah, if you open the visor, you can feel there's a little bit more wind coming directly here inside the visor. so better close it. So okay friends, that's it for today. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I see you in the next video. Take care, ride safe, see you soon, and cheers.